All right, everybody, let's give this a go. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to deploy the base VM. I'm using this driver. I've commented everything out. I'm not going to show you the code of this function, set Windows IP, but it uses that power CLI function I mentioned in the previous video to make this happen. And these are the parameters I'm passing it. I loathe putting passwords in code, so I did this. So you can do something similar if you want to. So let's run the driver. Try that again. Okay, so it pushes that VM out, and if I go over here, it should have been dropped down here. It's not turned on. So let me go ahead and copy this up, and this I might extend this script to actually move the VM to where I want it in the GUI, but that's not required. So there it is. I'll go ahead and start the VM up through code. Might as well do that. So we can do. Start it up. Yeah, sure. Let's do that. So the VM starting up. I'm going to pause my video just for a second. All right, back again. So I let it spin up for a little bit of time. Actually, I need to change that function name. It doesn't follow naming convention. It should be camel case. But in any event, I go ahead and run it. You can see that my domain controller has picked up a new DHCP IP address 10.0.5.81. Now, the domain controller needs a static IP address, and we shouldn't be going in there and setting it through the GUI. That's not the way we do it in this class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this function, and the idea is it's going to set the IP to 10.0.5.5. It's going to set a /24 net mask. The gateway is going to be the original ViOS box going outbound. When we install the domain controller, this will become a forwarder, and the new DNS server will become 10.0.5.5 or localhost. I'm going to prompt the user for a password, the deployer password, and I'll go ahead and pass that in because it's required as part of the function. So let me comment this out. Save that and rerun my 40 driver. All right. Password. It's going to invoke the VM script. All right, let's try that again one more time. Okay, that seemed to have worked. So if I do the get IP thing right now, it'll probably show the old IP. No, it changed. Okay, so you can see that changed. I can SSH now into deployer. Sure. And this, by the way, is your proof, right? So you're going to want to record something like this. So IP config all. And as you can see here, 10.0.5.5 is the IP address. I don't have a DHCP server set. At least it doesn't appear that I do. What else is going on? I have my DNS server set. Yeah. So yeah, DHCP is disabled. That's what I was looking for. Okay, and this sets us up for the next part of the milestone. So this is what your proof should look like. I wish you luck in the first part of milestone 9. Goodbye now.